Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitfinex. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and we had an interesting day. Even gold is moving up, making higher lows compared to over here, broke up at the horizontal resistance right now. Same with the Nasdaq Top 100. We can see these tops over here acting as support right now. S&P 500 broke this big trend line over here, and Dixie looks weak. This is the Dixie on the daily chart. But let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the hourly. And it kind of looks weak over here, making lower lows. Could be a little bit of a head and shoulders over here with this line over there. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Taking a look at the ES1 futures. Let us take a look. And yeah, we could see this one already. But you can also draw this one now. And it broke that one as well. So S&P looking very good over here. Bitcoin, of course, as well. Getting close to the all-time highs over here. Reason for me to be a little bit cautious. Usually they want to do some retests or some shakeouts. They didn't retest this support over here at all. It got front ran a little bit, maybe, it got front ran quite a bit. Other thing to keep in mind is fundings are running up, not so much on Bitmex, but on Bybit and other exchanges, they are getting very high, meaning we are building up quite some liquidity to the downside. And that is something we need to keep in mind. That can get quite violent for little shakeouts. So we have that one over there, we have the high over here, and that is what we are right now with high fundings. We can zoom in a little bit more over here and can take a look at what we're seeing. Perfect shakeout over here last night, just when I went to bed. Since then, you know, everybody has bought back. And right now, we probably did again a little shakeout, just shaking those people out here, just a little wick, run some stops and bounce it back up. Very, very bullish. And I think, you know, I actually have a feeling this is so bullish. It's just vertical accumulation. We're going straight up while people are buying. Ethereum, comparison is Bitcoin. A bit less strength. Ethereum BTC not looking too well, but Ethereum USD is doing good, even if they're not as good as Bitcoin at the moment. But it's doing quite good. Made a higher low over here, exactly the same as Bitcoin did. Run stops, shake out, and bounce back up. And I would say, looking at this, I would say Bitcoin is front running Ethereum now for 4 hours or something. If you look at this, kind of exact same, and Bitcoin made higher highs after this wick. And Ethereum not yet made higher highs after this wick. So I think Ethereum will follow the same pattern. SXP, USD, let's take a look. The daily. I was just looking at some charts, some altcoins, and yeah, it's looking good over here. Remove drawings. And they're exactly at resistance, I would say. This level. This top over here. And yeah, support for them, or sorry, target for them would be this 3.70. And after that, higher highs. Bullish pattern over here. Just a very higher low, very nicely. Yeah, looking good, looking good. I wouldn't long it here, but yeah, you can if you want to. Litecoin looking good over here. Let's draw some levels. We have this one. Retest got a little bit of front ran. We have this one, very nicely. After that, we have this one. But I think Litecoin will definitely go to 250 over here. That is what I'm seeing for Litecoin. yeah, it is a long in my opinion. First target would be $300. After that, the top at around $400. Looking good, looking very good. Get out if they're below 180, or if you want to take some more risk, get out after 140. Until then, target $300 or $400. Solana is chilling a little bit. Levels all still applying. Chart hasn't changed much. I would like to add in this one. This one can be removed, also this one. But I mean, you just want to see higher lows, higher highs, and them holding this trend line. This trend line would make me sell my longs. Getting above here would make me target $18. I would long after $15. I would not enter a position over here. Doge finally made those higher highs. We were between below this resistance over here, tapping it all the time, making higher lows, and they finally broke it. A long signal for us, and right now making a bull flag. Target all-time highs, looking good. Breaking this 4-hour close below this line over here would make me exit my longs. And that is about that. Fundings, especially in Bybit, are getting high. Something to keep in mind when trading. I trade a lot on Bybit. It's my preferred exchange. I love the user interface. Make sure to sign up using one of the sign up links in my video description, so you get extra discounts and some rewards by signing up under my link. Yeah, that's about that. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. See you guys again tomorrow. If you have questions, if you don't agree with anything I say or something I say, let me know in the comments, and I see you guys again tomorrow.